Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. Today, here I am with the recipe of Sheera or kesari, or also known as Sooji ka halwa, but adding to it the flavor of the delicious seasonal fruit, that is mango. First, let's look into the ingredients needed for our mango sheera. So here is the 1 cup of Suji or the Rava. This is the fine variety of Suji I have used here. Then the sugar, that is 3/4 cup. Some cardamom powder, dry fruits and 1 ripened mango. And finally, this is the ghee, the main ingredient of our recipe. First, let us start by chopping our mangoes to prepare the mango puree. Sheera is usually made plain, that is using just the Rava and the water. But adding this mango flavor to it really enhances its flavor, and this really tastes very delicious. Okay, so here I have added all the mango pieces to the mixer grinder and just grinded it, and our mango puree is ready. Next, in a pan I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, and to this I am adding the dry fruits I have taken here. It is raisins and the cashews. Okay, we have to just roast the dry fruits first until it gets brown, and take it out and keep it separately. Now in the same pan I am adding the Rava, that is 1 cup of Suji, and let us roast it until the color starts changing to brown. Just hardly 3 to 4 minutes by continuously stirring it. Okay, once it is done, let us take it out in a plate. And in the same bowl, I am adding the water, that is 2.5 cups of water. Okay, so for 1 cup of Suji, 2.5 cups of water. Okay, then to this water, here I am adding the mango puree, this prepared mango puree, and let us allow it to come to a nice boil. See, adding mango puree enhances the flavor rather than adding the pieces. You can also add both if you wish. Then once it starts to boil, let's add the roasted Rava and mix it. Stir continuously so that there is no lumps formed in the mixture. And now here let's cover it and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes it is nicely cooked. Now at this stage I am adding the sugar. It is 3/4 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. Then goes in the cardamom powder and give it a mix. And once again let us cover it and just let it cook for 1 or 2 more minutes. And here is our sheera using the delicious seasonal fruit mango is ready to serve. Please do try this mango sheera and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.